Hello everyone, this is Indu. I hope you are doing well. And today is our day 12 of our 100 .NET question series. And today question is why we use a using keyword in C# or .NET. It's a very important question. Using keyword in C# used for two purpose to import the namespaces so we can access classes and method without writing their full names, and to manage unmanaged resources like files, teams, and database connection. It ensuring that it automatically disposed after the use. For example, you can see here if we can everywhere where we can import the namespaces, like here we can use the anti framework core, but if we remove this it will give a error. So import the namespaces via use this keyword, using keyword. So mainly this keyword is used to import the namespaces, first one, and second to remove unmanaged resources that you are not too longer to use. So this is very important question in .NET. So I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.